Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a Ipsy unboxing. I'm pretty sure you guys are aware with Ipsy's pricing and how everything works. You can customize your own profile. It's only $10 a month, and yeah, you're gonna get mostly like travel deluxe size and maybe one or two full sizes, who knows. I definitely feel like they have been stepping it up, so without rambling on, let's get straight into seeing what's in this bag. I want to quickly apologize for how I'm looking today. I am wearing my Lazy Mom hoodie. I'm wearing my Lazy Mom hoodie, and you know, that's just how it is. It's what it is, and my hair is looking, you know, a little crazy, but it's okay. Let's get straight into this unboxing. Okay, so I am unboxing the March bag, so let's get straight to seeing what's inside. Okay, first thing that I'm pulling out with that is not in the bag is it's a fan brush. It's a fan brush by Moda Royal and Nickel, I think. It is really pretty. It gives me like mermaid vibes. I really like it. I really love getting brushes in any box. Like I said, this is already like a hit for me. And I mean, it's full size, so I'm definitely already getting impressed. Taking out the bag, I really like the design this month. It looks like tons of faces, different styles. I really like it. This does look like something I will be putting into my purse, maybe putting in my makeup essentials that I will be taking on the go. First thing that I feel here is a Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. It's a highlighter in the color Bellini. This is what the outside of the packaging looks like. Let's see if we can get inside. Okay, it's a really baby pink highlighter. As you guys can see, don't judge the nails. I took off the acrylics. Okay, let's give it a swatch. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I really like that. I'm definitely gonna be putting this on my face soon. I do feel like this is if not a full size, it's a really like deluxe size. It's a good size, so that's good for Ipsy. So far we have a full size brush and a good deluxe size highlighter. Next product that I'm pulling out here is something from Glossier. I've never received anything from Glossier before. There it is. It is a Balm.com Skin Salve. I butchered that, I'm sorry you guys, but it's in the flavor or scent Rose, and it does feel like it is a small sample, but it does feel really full and packed, so I really appreciate that, because we all hate it when we get samples and they're still small and they're not even halfway full. So I'm happy that this is really packed and I'm gonna get some good use out of this. Next thing that I feel in here, our markers. So, oh yeah, I forgot. We get to color this bag, and I got a yellow and pink marker, so I'm really happy. And we all know, like, I'm gonna really go in and color the hell out of this bag. Okay, two more products in here. I'm feeling something very small once again, and it is a Sex Kitten eyeliner from Tarte. This is what it looks like, and ooh, let's see how much product is in here. Okay, this is a very skimpy sample size. Like, I can literally like use this in like 2 or 3 tries, but I mean, when would a high-end brand like Tarte throw in something full size in a very affordable subscription box, you know? Just keeping it real. Last but not least, I feel, ooh, we got a full-size lipstick, and it's from Mellow Cosmetics, and it has a safety seal. Let me take this safety seal off. It is in the color Nude. Let me give you a quick swatch. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. Ooh. Yes, Ipsy. Look how nice that is. Yes. I know I'm being too extra, like, come on, like, really. But I really like this. So what are my final thoughts on the March Ipsy bag? I really liked it this month. I feel like they really were on point with my makeup preferences, because I did make my profile strictly makeup. They did add almost basically all makeup. I really like everything I received. I'm very impressed, and so far Ipsy is really doing good this year, and I hope that they just get better and better. And I love how they're adding more full-size products, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm about that full-size life, you know? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.